How to change font size in WhatsApp. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up WhatsApp, and once you do that, click on the three lines at the top right corner, then click on settings, and here click on chats, and from the chat settings section click on font size. You will get this pop-up window right here in which you will be able to change the WhatsApp font size from small to medium or large depending on what suits you the best. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can change WhatsApp font size. If you have any questions, as usual, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, I will see you in the next video. Take care.